YouTube, we're back with another video. It's a video I've been waiting to do for a long time. I had these boxes sitting in my room, so we're gonna put them on today. So you can see we got a full car. Got the tires in the back. I'm only doing new rears. But yeah, we're gonna throw the wheels on today, and I'm gonna do the coilovers while the wheels are getting put on. So it's gonna be an interesting day. We're gonna try to get this done before a car meet tonight, and we're gonna see. I do need to get camber arms and what else? I don't know. Tow arms, I think, to eliminate the bucket in the back. But yeah, finna go drop these off, and then we're gonna install the coilovers. Kevin scratching my wheels. That'd be the last y'all ever see of him. Shout out to Mr. Kevin.
Yeah.
Let's check see the scratches. All right. Oh, okay, that's just dirt. Okay. We don't gotta take any money off your check.
I accept tips.
This man say accept tips.
Cause I do extra.
I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the wheels because I know y'all gonna skip the video. She hot. This is the rear. Pretty. I don't know.
Say something about the rear. All right, I'm gonna talk.
This is
for
what, 275, 3518.
What brand is it?
This is, I think my old says 18 by 10 plus 38. This is for the rear. I'll show y'all when I get it on. So we gotta go put these dang coilovers on.
You gonna be there all day?
She finna go home. We're in a boosted Nismo today, guys. This is gonna be the new YouTube video, POV driving a boosted Nismo. This is, y'all might have seen this car on Kavon's channel. Boosted Nismo. Pretty clean. Well, obviously it's clean. With the TEs. This is Type R. This thing is definitely clean. Should we throw TEs on the car? We're getting the coilovers installed right now. I know I'm not all hype. I'm not used to filming in other people's establishments. Y'all can't see the wheels yet. But yeah, got the front zone. He's gonna throw the back zone real quick, and then we're gonna see what the drop is. Obviously, these are the wheels. These are fronts are 18 by 9.5 plus 15, and the rears are 18 by 10. Wait, 18 by 10 plus 38. So it should be a decent. It should look good. I'll put a picture up of the other guys' specs that I copied, and it should be perfect, especially in the rear. Obviously went with BC coilovers, true rears on here. These are RAs. That means they have the pillow ball front and top mount, I believe. Yeah, I'll turn the camera back on after I show y'all the car. After it gets done. There's not really much to record right now. I do want to paint my calipers too, but I really don't know what color I want to paint them. I'm thinking blue or orange, or just leave them stock. Who knows? Got the coilover zone, pumping that E as per usual. Tell me what y'all think. Fronts? Fronts, I definitely want to go a smaller height, maybe a 35. But I will keep the same, not go lower though. This car is dirty, so ignore it right now. Rears, definitely am about to go up. That's too low for me. I want at least this much of a gap between the tire and the car. Like this side is better, a little bit better. Actually, this might not be too low. I don't know how I want it yet. But I know I gotta get alignment. This side might be a little bit lower. I don't know if it's rubbing or not. I can't tell if that's rubbing or it's just the new tire wearing in. I mean, I assume I would see it up here if it was actually rubbing. But this definitely, I don't know. It's questionable. I don't know if I want to keep it like that or not. I don't know. It's not bad. The front is almost perfect though. But the rear maybe have to go up a little bit more. Let's see how dirty this car is. Look at my handprints on here. What are you doing? What? Don't gut your cars if you don't know how to put them back together. Say it again. Don't gut your cars if you don't know how to put it back together. Ain't that right?
Yeah, so right.
Because this man don't know what he doing. Different day, same video. We got the wheels on. As y'all can see, I think the fitment looks real nice. Coilovers have settled a little bit. Let me show y'all. Rears are almost on point. Might raise it, might lower it, might keep it the same. I think it looks real good like it is now. Fronts are spot on as well. Shout out to Chris, he got those. He convinced me to lower them. I was not gonna do that. Do need a front lip. It looks so much more better with a front lip. But yeah, I think it looks good. God, like specs. Got a little car meet tonight we gonna slide through. Gotta fix that. It's probably my favorite angle right here. Yeah, got that duck lid. Oh my gosh. Now I gotta fix my... Look at this manual Maxima, y'all. Thing is clean. I've been slacking on the videos today, trying to get y'all some nice pictures for my thumbnail for the reveal on Instagram, because I don't think nobody really seen this car but the people. Why are you vlogging me? What are you doing? Here, you might as well just record me then. I'll think get your head off the camera. I don't think nobody has seen this car, but come here. I don't think nobody. Let me see this.
So this is just a warning.
Okay.
So it's not a real ticket. You ain't got to pay nothing.
All right.
What was that description of it? Y'all just slow down a little bit and take it easy, okay?
All right, appreciate it. YouTube.
It looks better than mine, man. I'm sick of this shit.
Put this back in the glove box.
Wish I got away with it.
Where'd he go? He took off.
You gonna ruin somebody else's day?
And that is the #1 reason why I always keep my GoPro in the car. To get that good old content for y'all. Munching on my day chill. Yeah, they're turning. Looks nice up here. We'll see. They're ruining the freaking best